Question. A baseball pitcher throws a ball horizontally. The ball falls 83 centimeters while traveling 18.4 meters to home plate. Calculate the initial horizontal speed of the baseball. Air resistance is negligible. We set the 0 point at the starting point of the baseball. So here is the 0 point. This is the positive y direction, positive x direction. And the ball goes this way. It follows a parabola curve. And here is the home plate. And this distance is just 83 centimeters. And this distance is 18.4 meters. We do not know the initial velocity, but we know the angle between the direction of the initial velocity and the horizontal line is 0 degree. So theta is 0 degree. And we also know its vertical displacement just equals negative 83 centimeters. It's negative because the direction of its vertical displacement is down, is this way, and it's opposite to the positive y direction. Now this also equals negative 0.83 meters. And we know this formula. The vertical displacement equals the initial velocity multiply sine theta multiply time interval delta t minus 1 over 2 multiply acceleration g multiply delta t squared. Now we put the values in this formula. So the left side is negative 0.83 equals. We do not know the initial velocity, but we know the theta. So it's sine 0 degree multiply delta t minus 1 over 2 multiply acceleration multiply delta t squared. We know sine 0 degree is 0. So from this equation, we can get the time interval delta t equals square root 2 multiply 0.83 over the acceleration g, gravitational acceleration. Now this equals square root 2 multiply 0.83 and bottom is 9.8. And delta t equals 0.41 second. Now we need to find the value of the initial velocity. We know this formula. The horizontal displacement equals the initial velocity multiply cosine theta multiply delta t. From this formula, we can know that the initial velocity equals the horizontal displacement over cosine theta multiply delta t. And this equals the horizontal displacement is 18.4 meters. And cosine theta is 0 degree. And multiply the time interval 0.41 and equals cosine 0 degree equals 1. So at last, the velocity equals 44.88 meters per second. So its initial horizontal speed is just 44.88 meters per second.